ACEBEAM K1 flashlight. This has 3 modes, extremely bright. I'll get it off right off the bat. It's 1,000 lumens. It's extremely bright. I just blinded myself. I will show it to you in a second. So you have your clip here. This is your selector or on-off switch, okay? And then the way you switch through is actually pretty simple. You move this dial. So you have like your flashlight, and you have your laser pointer, and you have your UV. UV has 2 modes, high and low. UV is very useful. You can find stains, find a lot of imperfections in things, leaks, like leaky oil in your truck or your car. You can find cracks in your wall. It's really interesting. When you turn the lights off and you walk around with UV light, the world comes alive. So you have 2 modes, basically just cycle through, you know, with the selector switch on the bottom, real simple. You have your laser pointer, right? So, you know, laser pointer, no big deal. Before I turn on the bright light, that's the way it looks there. And the last one here is the 3 modes. So this is I believe this is the highest. And then this is like the moonlight setting. This would be the lowest. And then you have medium, which medium is extremely bright. And then you have your brightest. The brightest, I'm telling you, is extremely bright. It comes with a charging cable, a lanyard. This is the box it comes with. To charge it, you basically just unscrew it and you plug it into a USB-C. The battery's inside here. In a minute, we'll go in a dark spot. This is how you get power into it. It's very light. It's aluminum body, it feels like. And these fins here feel really nice, so you won't drop it. We are gonna go downstairs into a dark environment. But yeah, nice EDC light. This one is green. So I will turn this on. And the first thing we'll do is we will do dark. So no flag. And that's the lowest setting. That's the medium setting. And this is the 1,000 lumens, which is extremely bright. So this will brighten up whatever you want. And if you want to see something neat, I will put it on the UV. So that's what the UV does. So it's really weird. Like things will just come to life with the UV. You know, if you want to see like imperfections in your wall, you want to see stains on your steps, that's pretty gross. So yeah, that's a flashlight. Pretty neat little guy here. Like, geez, these people need to clean their house.